Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am making a traditional, authentic, Middle Eastern salad. And I'm going to tell you there's one thing that our salads do not have in it. And if you can guess what it is, boy, I'll tell you, you're a pretty smart cookie. So, the first thing I'm doing is I diced up some cucumbers. I'm using the Kirby cubes. I cut them lengthwise, and then I cut them the other way so that they look like little half moons. And I am going to use a purple onion. These are great for salad. These are more like salad onions. That's exactly what they are. They're perfect for salads. They have a different taste. The color is so pretty and so colorful. So one thing about the salads and the Middle Eastern food is it's very vibrant and fresh and colorful and flavorful. It really is amazing. So I am just thinly cutting pieces of purple onion like that. Then I'm going to put it into my dish. I have a cute little dish here that I'm using. I'm actually going to have this for dinner tonight in a pocket bread. Not a whole one, just a half one. Because I bought them and I haven't had them yet. So, boy, I'll tell you, purple onion, one onion, regardless of the color, it lasts a long time. You can do so many things with one onion. But anyway, I am just going to put these in here. And I'm not going to make a whole lot. Well, maybe I'll do another cucumber. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I will. I'm going to do another cucumber. I'm going to add some more onion before I get another cuke. I'm just cutting these really thin, and I try to make it so that, you know, it's easy to eat and you're not awkward with, you know, trying to do it politely. Okay, so I am going to get another cucumber out of my fridge. And I'm going to peel it. I like my little garbage bowl here, my little thing here. Forgot to wash it first. So I always like to wash my produce before I use it, whether I'm peeling it or not. I'm just craving veg. Some people, I don't know, I guess you crave what you need. But right now I'm craving like vegetables and this delicious Middle Eastern salad. So, have you guys figured out the one ingredient that any kind of Middle Eastern or Greek salad does not have? Okay, I'm going to let you know in a minute what that is. But yeah, 2 cubes, this will be nice. And whatever's left over is going to be delicious for lunch tomorrow. Or sometimes if I get up late at night and I want something to eat, I'll eat something healthy if we have something readily available. If not, I grab a zero sugar yogurt. So I'm down 9 pounds and my clothes are very big on me. Like very big. People are starting to notice, and that's always a good thing. That is a good thing. Okay, I think it needs a little more color, so some more onion in there. Again, just cutting everything as small as possible. And now I'm going to cut this beautiful tomato. I used it for lunch today, but look at this. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to take off this end right here. It's nice because it's not like mushy and it's not too firm. This was a nice tomato. Tomatoes are very hard to get good ones this time of year, you know. But I am going to dice up some tomato. Again, as small as I can. So you can see they are bite size. I'm going to throw this in here. Okay, I'm going to do all this tomato. Like I said, I could have this tomorrow for lunch or as a nice side dish with tomorrow's dinner, whatever that may be. Okay. This is just absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to be adding any salt to this, but this is what it looks like right now. It's so, look at the colors. It's just so pretty. Okay, I'm going to add a few more things. I'm going to get out some more ingredients, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have some more ingredients, and the next ingredient I am going to put is some CALAMATA olives. However, I'm not putting them in whole. I'm only going to put a few in, and I'm going to dice them up. So maybe like with every bite or every couple of bites, I'll get like one olive because of the sodium. But it doesn't mean I can't have flavor. So I'm using these as flavor. So I have 6 olives out. And I'm, like I said, I'm just going to slice them. Ordinarily, you could just throw them in whole, but I'm not going to do that. As long as I get a little bit, you know, I'm satisfied. And I'm not going to be getting all 6 olives today, unless I eat the whole thing. I'm going to put those in. Again, it's just color and texture. It makes it look good, too. Okay. So I'm going to just stir this up a little bit. And I am not cleaning up as I go with you guys today. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's a mess over here. But anyway, I have some feta crumbles. Ordinarily, you would put chunks of feta cheese. I don't have that. I buy the crumbles. And the reason is, it's just easier for me to control how much I have. So I'm going to put a couple of teaspoons in here. Well, yeah, I'm going to sprinkle some feta on top. The crumbles are great for salads. They really are. Alright, so I'm just putting, yeah. I'll save some in case I make another type of salad another day. Okay. I'm going to put some olive oil, and you just want to put this on top a little bit. Okay? A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put a seasoning on here. Okay, I'm just going to use a pinch of fresh dill that I dehydrated. Does it still mean it's fresh? Well, you know what I mean. Some dill that I did myself. This is going to be so packed with flavor. It's going to be really, really good. Now put the olive oil. I'm going to... I have some lemons that I slice up and I always keep in my freezer because we use a lot of lemon. So I'm just going to thaw them with some water. And then I'm going to put some fresh squeezed lemon on top. And now I'm starting to clean up as I go. Okay, so yeah, I just want to squeeze a little bit of lemon. See? It doesn't take long to throw them out. I got some fresh lemon. I mean, the lemon juice in the bottle's okay, but you can't beat fresh lemon. We always garnish with lemon. Always. No matter what we do, it's garnished with lemon. This is basically what our salad dressing is, olive oil and lemon. That's it. And that is going to be my dinner. This is a traditional Armenian, Middle Eastern, Greek salad, whatever region you want to call it. But this is our salad. Have you noticed? There is no lettuce. We don't put lettuce in our salads. None of our salads have lettuce in it. So that was the key ingredient that a lot of the West puts in their salads, but we don't. So we just have the other stuff, which I happen to like a lot better. So yeah, I'm going to go get a pocket bread, pita bread, and I'm going to stuff this baby, and going to have a glass of water, and I'm going to have my dinner. So I hope that you like this video, and I will leave a recipe in the description, and I hope that you all have a good day.